नमस्ते स्टूडेंट, खुश रहो बिटिया। आई जेवियन डॉक्टर नीलम चक्रवर्ती फ्रॉम ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन मैनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंट इन ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. In today's session we are going to discuss about the risk and what is the risk and concept of risk and classification of risk. So let's start the topic. Risk. The Chinese and expressions for insurance is of course and literally and translated as protect against risk, and it would be wrong and however for us to assume that all risks are visible and that insurance is the only remedy for risk and without necessarily and offering a comprehensive survey. We shall and consider both these matters and further in this chapter. Now let's discuss the meaning of risk. There have been many attempts and to define risk, and to most of us, however, risk contain suggestions of loss or dangers. We may and therefore define it as uncertainty and concerning a potential loss. Sorry. It is this uncertainty and the undesirable element found with risk, and the underlines and the wish and need for insurance. The potential loss that risk present may be. The first one is financial. Financial measurable in monetary terms. Second is the physical. The physical death and worsening and offer having financial consequences for the individual or his family. Next, emotional. Feelings of grief and surround. Only the first and two are likely to be insurable risk, and also from a wider and perspective, not every risk and will be seen in the negative form we are just outlined. Now let's discuss the classification of risk. To simplify a complex subjects, we may and classify risk under two broad and headings, and each having two categories. First one is its potential financial results, and second one is its potential impact and should it become a reality. Financial results. Now, risk may be considered as being and the pure, offering the potential of loss, and only such risks include fire and incident and other undesirable and possible happenings. The speculative and offering the potentials for gain or loss, and such risks included gambling and business virtues and intern potentials activities. Now, second is the impact. Risk may be considered as being a particular and having relatively and limited and consequences affecting an individuals or a fairly and small numbers of peoples. And it may be serious, even fatal, and for those involved. But the results is comparatively and localized, and such risks include motors and accidents, the personal injuries, and the like. The fundamental having very wide read and consequences and affecting very large number of people, and with an element of total of risk and including framing and war, widespread and flood and other disasters, and which are problems for society or mankind, and rather than just the particular individuals involved. Thank you. These sessions powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we will discuss in the problem solving, and thank you.